Client calls me up, says, "Hey, I'm starting a brand new business this year. What advice do you have for me?" I said, "Well, here's three general pieces of advice that I'm going to give to anybody in any kind of business. Number one, quarterly taxes. If you make money, the IRS wants a cut and they want their cut quarterly. So you better figure out how much money you're making and give the IRS the cut. You cannot wait until April 15th the next year to cut them a check. They will hit you with underpayment penalties. Number two, retirement accounts are your friend. If you are going to make, even if you're barely going to make any money, I'd still consider putting money in a retirement account. You got a lot of different options: SEP IRA, solo 401k, just a regular traditional IRA or the Roth IRA. You got a lot. You got to understand those options. And number three is figure out how you're going to track your expenses. Are you going to get one credit card and use that for all your business expenses? This credit card can be in your name. I'm just talking simply tracking, right? For liability purposes, once you form an entity, you'd want a credit card in the entity name. But hey, you're just getting started. Maybe you already have your card that you use every day for your personal expenses. You get a brand new one, and that's what you're using to pay for your subscriptions and your consults, software that you need, business related expenses. You need printers and computers and whatnot to get your business going, equipment. And that way, even if you're a little sloppy about your bookkeeping and you don't take some time every month to write down your expenses or every day or every week, hey, come January next year, you know that every last business expense you had was on this credit card. Again, the three pieces of advice I have for any person who's just starting a business: quarterly taxes, retirement accounts, keeping track of your expenses. And another important one is if you're going to hit over 50K in profit, you want to think about entity, forming an entity. For example, possibly an LLC taxed as an S-Corp. Hey, my name is Arash. I help people create plans to pay less in taxes. Did you know if you like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, you will automatically save 10% in taxes? Okay, that's actually not true. Also, I need to let you know that none of this video should be taken as tax advice. However, I would love to give you individualized tax advice. All you have to do is schedule a consultation on my website, link below. Hey, my name is Arash. I help people create plans to pay less in taxes. Did you know if you like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, you will automatically save 10% in taxes? Okay, that's actually not true. Also, I need to let you know that none of this video should be taken as tax advice. However, I would love to give you individualized tax advice. All you have to do is schedule a consultation on my website, link below.